For moments when the route isn't always obvious, the GG-B100 has a built-in compass. This displays your direction as well as a compass bearing. To activate the compass, simply press the top right-hand button. Remember to hold the watch level when taking a reading. When taking a bearing, point the 12 o'clock position of the watch in the direction of your desired objective. The second hand will point to north and the digital display will show the compass direction. To switch to the bearing angle, press the top left button whilst in compass mode. This will display the bearing angle towards your objective. The compass on the Mudmaster will automatically calibrate itself on a daily basis, providing the watch is being worn and the user is walking. This happens whilst the watch is in timekeeping mode. When this happens, the second hand will point to 12 and the digital display will flash. Should you wish to perform a manual calibration, please refer to the supplied manual for step-by-step instructions.